ba flying up.
Alright, welcome back to the competition, guys. Is everyone still having fun? Are we still having fun? Alright, guys, so welcome back to the competition. We're now going into round 3. We are flying up.
Up to the moon! You want to go up to the moon? Yes. Question number 1. Let's find means a side word. The. Find means a side word. The. Time starts. Now.
Okay, so looking for the word the. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Okay, looking for the word the.
Show up.
Alright, great. Now, guys, it is number 1. The. Alright, guys, moving on to question number 2. I am looking for the word see. See. I'm looking for the word see. As in, I see a big banana. So I'm looking for the word see. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Looking for the word see. The time starts now.
Put the answer down one. Answer down on the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is number 3. Hooray! Now,
As in, I see lots of really clever children. Well done, guys. Great job.
Miss Ham missed the word